Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Christian, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and click the notification button to get notified anytime I drop new video. So today I'm going to show you how to design a simple social media post design in Photoshop. So first, when you open your Photoshop, then you are going to create a document where we are going to do our work. So to do that, either you click on Ctrl N on your keyboard or you create new file. Then you set up the inches. So we are going to use 14 by 14 inches. 14 by 14. The resolution is 300. Then background white. Then click OK. Then after we have done that, we are going to bring in our background picture. To do that, you go to the folder where you keep the files that you are going to use. So these are the files that we are going to use in this tutorial. So you are going to click and drag on Photoshop. Okay, so after you've done that, you are going to bring in the model picture, which is this picture. Click and drag. Then this image, we are going to change the color of the shirt that she's wearing. To do that, select pen tool, then select the shirt, the part of the shirt, only the shirt. Make sure you change it to part, make sure it's on part. Then click and drag, select it, zoom to see clearly what you are doing. Make sure it's only the shirt. So in this tutorial, I'm going to drop all the files that you are using in this tutorial. So you can download it. I will drop a link where you can download it on the description. So make sure you are following everything I'm doing, just the way I'm doing it. When you make mistake, Ctrl Z to undo. Make sure you trace only the part where the shirt is. Then after you are done that, you click on Control Enter or Command Enter if you are using MacBook to select. Then after you are done that, you click Control J. Now the shell is on its own. Now after you are done that, create a new folder, right click, create a clipping mask, then select your brush tool and click on the foreground color to select the color. So this is the color, this is the color code, and this is the color that you're going to use. Then after I've done that, you brush, opacity 100, flow 100, then you brush everything on the shirt. Then you change the blending mode to color. Now before, after. Then after that, we are going to group it. Ctrl J, then name it model. Then after I've done that, we are going to change this model to black and white. To do that, click here, then you see black and white. Now it's affecting all the layer. We are going to make it to affect only the model, which is this picture. Then clip mask. Before, after. Then I'm going to bring down this image. Ctrl J to duplicate, double click, right click, then flip horizontal, then drag. Then we are going to drag it down. So they are going to create a shape. Then to do that, create a new layer. Then select the rectangular tool. Then draw your shape. The color is white. Then we are going to curve some part of it. To do that, hold your hotkey, then curve. Also this part too, then curve. So I'm using Photoshop CC 2022. So if you are not using the same Photoshop, yours might not be like my own. Now I'm going to reduce the opacity to 50. Then we are going to duplicate, Ctrl J to duplicate, then double click, then hold your Alt key. Then now we are going to put some color, some light effects on the image. To do that, create a new layer on top this black and white. Then right click, clip mask, select your brush tool. Then you click, and you click. Then change the blending mode to screen. Now create a new layer on top of this layer 2, which is the cloth. Let me rename it cloth. Create a new layer, then clip mask and brush here. And after doing that, the next thing is test. Create a new layer here on top of the model group. Create a new layer, then select your text, then type peace of mind, then Ctrl A to select, then change the font. The font we are using is Kenya Coffee. Then drag to make it big. Then now see, now we are not seeing the mind and we are not seeing the off. The image is covering the mind. So to bring it out, we are going to create a stroke on top of the image. Then Ctrl J to duplicate the peace of mind text. Then drag it up. Then the fill, drag it to 0. Then double click to bring out the layer style. Then stroke. We are going to change the color to white. Then increase the size outside. No, sorry, inside. Then increase the size. Okay, 8 is okay. Then click OK. Then we are going to bring in some shape. This drag here. Of it, reduce it. Then we're going to blur it. Go to filter, blur, then motion blur. Okay, it's okay that way. Then the next is this love image. Okay. Ctrl Z. Then reduce the size. We are going to blur it too. Also go to filter, blur, then motion blur. Then reduce it. Then bring this logo. You can use your own logo. This is my own logo, so you can use your own logo. Then drop it. Then also this. Then drop it here. Reduce the size. Don't forget, this is my own logo. You can make use of your own. Then we're going to bring in social media, which is this one. Drag. Then we do the size. Then the text. So these are my work, the things I do. So you can also include yours. Create a new layer, select text, click, then Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl A So it's red. We are going to change the color to black. To do that, select. Either you can select your text tool, select, then Ctrl A, or you can select your pick tool and double click, then go to color, then change the color. Okay, this is okay. Then we are going to change the font. Okay, this one is okay. Okay, so this one is better. Sorry. So this is my own number. You can use your own. Control V. Control J to duplicate, then drag down. This is my Instagram handle, Chris_studio1. Now we are done. And don't forget to save. To save is Ctrl S on your computer, then go to anywhere I'm going to save it. Go to any folder you want to save it. Four, two, then click. So that is how you design a simple social media design on Photoshop. I hope this tutorial is helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any comment, drop it on comment section and I will reply you. Thanks and enjoy.